Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the channel. We're going to jump into Photopea today and I'm going to show you how to import custom fonts. So if this is something you're into, follow me and let's get into it. So what we're going to do is we can search free fonts, but there are two websites that I regularly use. It's DaFont, and you can download a bunch of fonts for free, and also 1001 fonts. Again, tons of fonts for free, and you can just download them. So let us use this one. And over here, you can see this Super Monday. We're going to click on the download button on the right hand side. Now, once you click on it, it'll download to your device and you can see it here. We're going to open its folder. And once your folder is open, you will see it's right over here. We're going to click on that and say extract all. Let us have this open. And the two items in here, you have the README, the text document, and then you have the actual type of font itself. So we're going to double click on that font. And we're going to click on the install button on the top left hand side. Now this will install it onto your system so it's accessible by all other programs that want to use this font. So let's close this and we're going to jump back into Photopea. And from Photopea you'll have your text. Okay, so we've got our text here and let's just double click on that and select it. And here this is its current font. We're going to drop this down here, and here it says load font. We're going to click on load font and we are going to look for it. Once you are in here, you will click on the actual font itself and click on open. You'll see over here, you'll just get a notification for access and it is now in there. So you want to go back into this drop down menu here and we want to look for it. So we're going to use this search icon bar over here and we can just type in the first word and it's come up right over here. So we can just click on that and it has now changed that font. And you can do this with any font that you want. As I mentioned, there are two fantastic websites with thousands of free fonts. If this was helpful, drop us a like and go and create something. Peace.